I will keep eating these things because I'm hungry. I keep eating the olive oil. This is the olive seed. Look up.
باش بطحينة باش بطحينة قلبي حلال من إيميلكم.
Yeah. What's the five liter?
3, 1, 2, 3. Welcome, Mike.
Football. It's nice. Yeah. What's going on here? What are we selling? What are they selling here?
Spices. Organic food. Organic food. All the stuff you want, the soap, they are made it here.
Okay. Wow. This is a nice rice, huh? Spices. Okay, this one are for testing. Okay. Look. Oh. This is for testing, right?
Discount 5 liter. 5 liter olive oil, 180 shekel. Philippine, 150 shekel.
This is olive.
5 liter, 180 shekel. Discount.
Where's the man?
150.
Wow. This is like
Every 5 liter olive oil, 5 liter.
I must test everything here.
180 shekel. It's very good in Israel. Very good in Israel.
This tastes like honey. Okay, they are made of.
Every 5 liter, 4 liter olive oil. 4 liter, 150. Come in, discount.
What about this one? How much?
This 45.
45 shekels.
Well, 3, 120. Discount.
Oh, sorry.
This 3, 120. No 45. 3, 120. Yes, 120.